Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package. Looks like I have a pizza, but it's not a pizza. It is better than a pizza, so you know it's got to be good if it's better than pizza. This is a package from Echo Park, and it's the November 2020 kit, and it's Farmhouse Christmas Inspiration. So doesn't this look fabulous? And it looks like these are some of the things that we can make. I can make a farmhouse barn mini album and an Oh Christmas Tree card. For full instruction supplies, cutting list, and die cut files, you can go to Club Echo Park and you can get those. And this is introducing a wedding collection, which is kind of cool because my daughter is getting married. So let's see what's inside. This is a monthly subscription, I believe, but I didn't do the monthly subscription. I just picked the month that I liked, and I saw this was available, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to grab it. So I did. If I remember correctly, it was about 30 bucks, I think. And so let's see. It is all Echo Park stuff, I believe. Or no, this is Cartabella. Okay, it's all Cartabella stuff, and it all matches beautifully. Gosh, it's so pretty. So this says frames and tags. It's die cut ephemera. My dog is playing with the box. He's a goof. And some enamel dots. These are puffy stickers. Cute. Waylon, it's okay, baby. And then there's a 6x6 paper pad, and it is double-sided. Oh, and it's got tape on it, so let me try to carefully cut that without cutting myself or the paper. Oh, do you guys have weird dogs? Because my dog is a weirdie. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I like it already. Oh, I love that plaid. Super pretty. I love how it's all matchy-matchy and just really nice. I think I want to make that farmhouse little mini album. I don't know that I will use it for this year because I don't know what kind of a Christmas we're going to have this year with COVID, but super cute. And then chipboard accents, very nice. I love those. And then here is the creme de la creme, the paper pack, and it has wonderful farmhouse stickers. So cute. And then it has paper too, of course, so let's see what paper came with it. I'll just take it all out. So here's the sticker sheet. May you never be too grown up to search the skies on Christmas Eve. And then here is, I love this holly berry. And these are little like wooden crates. So a lot of these match the smaller 6x6 paper, of course. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. So cute. Oh, I love, love, love these. Oh, that's pretty too. And it's snowflakes and wreaths. Plaid and snowflakes, wooden planks and ornaments, little tags. Those would be cute to from tags. I mean, this one even says to from, but you could totally cut these out and make tags. You could. Very cute. Oh, that's pretty. Is that a white poinsettia? I don't know. It's very pretty. And do you guys say poinsettia or poinsettia? I usually say poinsettia, but I noticed I just now said poinsettia, so I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. But that is what I got from Echo Park, and check them out. I like to look at the Echo Park outlet, and I think it's just echopark.com/outlet, or like the little that slashy thing. So check them out because they have some good stuff. I know I'm going to check them out so I can see how to make that, and I'm sure you could look at that too, to go to echoparkpaper.com for some inspiration on that. And I'm sure if you don't have that sticker pack or this kit, you can use something that you might have on hand to make it too. I'm sure. Very nice. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas. Bye.